Hi everyone, welcome back to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily, and today we're making something unique together. In Vietnam, elephants are symbols of wisdom, strength, and good luck. This red elephant was hand-stitched by Vietnamese artisans, with bright colors and patterns that reflect Vietnamese culture. I turned it into a sun catcher so it wouldn't just sit on a shelf. Now it dances with light, spreading sparkling reflections around the room. Before we begin, here are all the materials you'll need. Feel free to pause the video here to check everything carefully and get your workspace ready. Now let's do it together. Step 1. Plan your layout. Let's start by setting up the layout. Place the fabric elephant in the center of your workspace. Above the elephant's back, place the snowflake crystal bead. This will help you visualize where the top section will go. Below the elephant, divide your space into 3 hanging zones. Arrange wooden beads, crystal beads, and pom-poms into colorful groupings with balance and energy in mind. Aim for a vibrant, boho-inspired color palette, mixing textures and sizes for depth and movement. Tip: take a quick photo of your layout before starting. It'll help you stay on track as you build your piece. Step 2. Create bead components with head pins. In this design, we'll group beads into small hanging units using head pins. These help keep the beads in place and give a clean, polished finish. Start by choosing your beads. You can place 1 large bead per pin or combine 2 to 3 smaller beads together. Slide the beads onto the head pin. Leave about 1 to 1.5 centimeters of space at the top. Then, using round nose pliers, bend the wire to form a small loop. Rotate your wrist gently to create a smooth circle. Don't close the loop all the way. Leave a tiny gap so we can attach a jump ring later. Repeat this process for every bead component you want to use for the hanging strands. Quick tip: try using pom-poms on head pins too. They add a soft, playful touch to balance out the shine of the crystals. You're doing great. Keep going. Step 3. Attach the bead strands under the elephant. Now it's time to bring those bead components together into hanging strands. Gather the bead groups you just made and begin connecting them using small jump rings. You can make single drops or stack a few pieces together for a longer effect. Be sure to leave a jump ring at the top of each finished strand so you can attach it to the elephant. Pro tip: let the center strand hang a bit longer than the side ones. It creates a natural drape and beautiful visual movement. To attach the strands, find the thick stitched area under the elephant's belly. Insert a small jump ring through the fabric and hook each hanging strand onto it. Take your time here. Spacing the strands evenly will make the final piece look polished and intentional. Nice job. It's really coming together. Step 4. Assemble the top hanging section. To make the top part of the sun catcher, insert a small jump ring into the top of the elephant's back. or on the ear if the fabric is sturdier there. Next, create the snowflake accent. Use nylon thread or fine wire to string together 6 to 8 small 6-sided crystal beads in a circle and tie them securely to form a snowflake. Connect this snowflake to a red wooden bead using a small jump ring. This adds color and balance to the top section. Finally, thread your silver chain through a large jump ring and attach it to the red bead. This chain will be your hanging loop. Helpful hint: always twist jump rings side to side to open and close them. That way they don't lose their shape. You're almost done. Step 5. Final check and finishing touches. Let's take a moment to check your suncatcher. Are the bead strands spaced evenly and hanging nicely? Are any pom-poms twisted or caught? Are all jump rings fully closed? If everything looks good, you're ready to admire your finished work. Bonus tip: want extra sparkle or sound? Add mini bells or glitter beads to your strands. When the wind moves your suncatcher, it'll sparkle and softly chime. Such a joyful touch. Whether you hang it in your car by a sunny window or give it as a meaningful gift, it carries with it a piece of tradition, creativity, and love. And this one's handmade by you, which makes it extra special. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. If you enjoyed this project, feel free to leave a comment and let me know how yours turned out. And if you'd like more creative projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to Crystal Flare. Until next time, as always, keep shining.